Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video where I attempt to bake. You know, I don't claim to be a baker, but I love to try, so that's what I did in the kitchen today. And I wanted these cookies to be coffee inspired, have that nice little coffee flavor, but I don't actually drink coffee and I don't have any coffee grounds. So I used my secret ingredient here, CAFIX. You can also use Roma, so it's a coffee alternative. This one's made from grains. It's really good. I'll make sure I put all that information in the description box below. But I really like these cookies because they don't use eggs, they don't use milk, and it was pretty easy and straightforward to figure out how to make them. So make sure that when you make yours, you put them in an airtight container so that way they can stay nice and soft and delicious, and you know what? Pop it. So if you want to see how I make these cookies, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Alright, the first thing you want to do is, in a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. So I've got my flour, baking soda, baking powder, a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to whisk all of that together. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to take my sugar, a little bit of vegetable oil, some water, some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of vanilla, and, you guessed it, the CAFIX. And now it's time to mix all of that together. You guessed it, now we're mixing our wet and dry ingredients together. Once I've got everything out of the bowl, I am just going to mix until everything is well incorporated, and we've got a nice cookie dough. All right, now what you want to do is just go ahead and wrap it with saran and freeze it for about 30 minutes. Now that I have it out of the freezer, I'm going to go ahead and scoop. I'm using about a tablespoon. Add them to my cookie sheet and put them in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes. And then voila, you've got your cookies. Be sure to let me know what you think about these in the comment section below.